Welcome back to another episode, everyone, and in this video we'll be looking at the new PlayStation 4 Days of Play Limited Edition. We're just doing a quick unboxing and a first impression of this new console. It's looking very stylish on the front, so let's jump right into it. So right on the front, as you can see here, you've got the new PlayStation style look. This is the slim model. It comes with two controllers right here, so I'm really eager to see what it looks like inside. This is the 500GB model. On the side, it basically shows the contents of what it comes inside the box. So the console, two controllers, the earphone piece, the HDMI cord, the power, and a micro USB cable with the quick startup guide. On the back right over here, it basically shows just another logo of it. PlayStation 4 Days of Play Limited Edition. So there's not many of these going around. There wasn't many in the store when I went there. On the other side, you've just got another PlayStation 4 logo with the cool triangle, X, circle, and square buttons on the side. Nothing really on the side. It does say at the front, this PlayStation is VR ready, which all the PlayStations should be. On the top, once again, it's just the same. And on the bottom, it's just pretty much your standard stuff. So let's start to open this up. All right. Okay, just pulling it from the top. Nice. Let's take it out. So inside the first box, you actually have another box. So we'll keep that one aside for now. Let's just pop it over here. So inside it, it's just a plain white box and nothing around the sides. It's just got the PlayStation information on that. And let's open this one up. Okay. Right over here, you get a PlayStation 4 limited edition blue controller. Let's have a look there. Nice. It's looking very good. I like the gold logos on the front of all the little shapes. This is the latest controller with the ones starting with 2.9 or the number 2. They're the second generation one. So that's pretty good. You get a second controller here inside the box as well. We got the HDMI cable. Nice to have that in there. An earphone piece, which I tend to use my own Logitech headphones. And what else we got? We got the power cord cable inside here. And the micro USB cable to connect up your controller. So that's it for that part, and let's open up the bottom. And here is the console. Let's put the boxes aside. So you do have the PlayStation 4 Welcome to the Future of Play Quick Startup Guide, and it's nice and neatly packed in here. Ooh, this looks really good. This is upside down. Wow, that's really nice. I really like this blue color. So let's have a look. Wow, that's a nice glossy blue on the front. Hopefully you can see the reflections. So this looks really nice. I'm digging it. I really like it. I really like the blue and the gold. This is the front. And the front of it. Hopefully you can see it well in the camera. Nice small buttons over here. It's very slim, just like the other slim consoles. Just a nice blue color. Deep blacks, glossy black as well in the side. And on the back, you can probably see it here. You've got all the ports, as well with the PlayStation 4 camera that you can probably see right there. That goes right inside. You can also change your hard drive out, which is what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to put a one terabyte hard disk in there so it boots up quicker. And this is nice to know. Look on the bottom, guys. If you look up here, this is the nice blue logo, but you've got the little shapes here. So you've got a triangle, circle, an X, circle, square, triangle, and all that type of stuff. They're all the shapes there, and that looks really nice. So that's what's going to be supporting the PlayStation from sitting down on whatever you're going to put it on, whatever surface. And it's good. It doesn't really move that much, so that's great. But definitely, it's gonna. I can already see a little bit of fingerprints up here, but really liking this. So that's a quick unboxing on the new PlayStation 4 Days of Play Limited Edition console. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this one. And I will catch you guys in the next one.